You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Welcome, everyone. Genuinely excited about what we're getting into today. We've got some fascinating stuff lined up, covering design from all sorts of angles. Think cutting-edge tech, really interesting branding moves, and, the subtle art of user experience.
And how it all ties together, even touching on well-being.
Exactly. It's that sweet spot where creativity meets practicality. Makes being a vocal technologist pretty rewarding, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's unpack this. What really jumped out first for me and sort of kicks things off is this huge leap in mobile creativity.
Oh, you mean the Adobe news?
Yes, Adobe Premiere.
Yeah.
Coming to iPhone this month.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's free. Fast. They say beginner-friendly, but loaded with pro tools.
Like what specifically?
Well, AI integration, Firefly's in there, multi-track editing, 4K HDR support, even auto-resizing for different social platforms.
Okay, so proper editing, but on your phone.
Exactly. Professional grade right there in your pocket. But it feels like more than just features, doesn't it?
Oh, absolutely. It's a fundamental shift. This really lowers the barrier to entry for serious video work. Think about it empowering a whole new wave of creators who are mobile first.
Yeah, democratization of tools.
Precisely.
Yeah.
And you see this pattern elsewhere too, like Amazon Lens Live.
Oh, right. The visual search thing.
Yeah, it's AI powered. You scan a product instantly and boom, real-time matches pop up in this swipeable carousel.
Yeah.
Plus, Rufus, that's their AI shopping assistant.
Right.
It integrates right into the camera view so you can ask questions, get insights immediately.
So AI is giving us that instant understanding, instant action based on what we see.
Exactly. From the physical world straight to digital insight.
That's a huge shift in interaction.
Yeah.
And speaking of interaction,
Yeah.
let's maybe pivot to how brands interact with us, how they shape their image.
Yeah.
Blank Street Coffee, the one lots of Gen Z folks like.
Sure. I know Blank Street.
They just did this minimalist rebrand. Wolf Allens handled it. New window motif, custom fonts, that signature green.
Sounds sleek. Going for that global scalability look. Sophisticated but playful.
Seems like it. But isn't the word rebrand itself kind of loaded now?
Oh, definitely. That's a really interesting point. Rebrand has become this sensitive term. You notice lots of companies prefer brand refresh now.
Why is that? Just sounds gentler.
Partly, it helps avoid potential stakeholder resistance. A full rebrand can sometimes signal problems or be linked to negative stuff. But we shouldn't dismiss strategic rebrands. I mean, if you look at examples curated in places like the BX Museum, you see they're critical business tools.
Not just a new logo then.
Not at all. It's about signaling a real shift, a company's evolution, a new strategic direction. It's fundamental, not just cosmetic.
That makes sense. It's like managing the brand's own user experience with its stakeholders.
That's a great way to put it.
Which leads us nicely into how we experience these systems, especially with AI involved. This whole do what I mean idea, DWIM.
Right.
Where you just tell the system the outcome. Like, remove the clouds from this photo instead of clicking through menus and tools.
It feels very liberating, doesn't it?
Totally. Unlocks expressiveness.
It does, because you're focused on the what, not the how. But, this brings up the complexities of UX design. It's not always simple.
How so?
Well, take the idea of enshittification, that term, for when platforms seem to degrade the user experience over time.
Yeah, that often feels like pure greed, pushing upgrades or ads.
Sometimes it might be, but it's not always just that. Sometimes maybe restricting free features or nudging towards paid tiers. It can be a necessary trade-off, a tough choice designers face for the product's actual survival, to keep supporting the paying users who keep it afloat. It's a balancing act.
A difficult tightrope to walk. So it comes down to context again. How important is context for trust in AI and UX?
Oh, context is everything. It's absolutely crucial for building that trust and resilience. And designers have a real responsibility here, too, especially with work-life balance, avoiding those manipulative dark patterns.
Right, designing things that actually support boundaries, like setting working hours in an app.
Exactly. Even tiny things matter, like whether a button says your files or my files. That subtle shift in language affects how you perceive your relationship with the system, reinforcing that personal context.
Fascinating how deep it goes. So wrapping this up,
Yeah.
What's the big picture here?
Well, it seems clear design is always evolving, right? It affects the tools in our hands, the brands we see, even our well-being.
It's that constant intersection of creativity, practicality, and understanding people.
Totally. Which leaves us with something to think about, maybe for you listening. As these AI interfaces get smarter, almost anticipating what we want, what new responsibilities fall on designers, and actually on us as users,
Yeah, how do we make sure these powerful tools genuinely enhance our lives?
without subtly chipping away at our boundaries or even our critical thinking?
Something to definitely ponder.
Indeed. Thanks for tuning in and exploring the world of design with us today.
Spoken Tech for your ears.